Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter, Twitter Marketing Strategies. In this lesson, we're going to talk about using influencers to promote your business. Let's get started. We are going to dig deeper on influencer marketing. First, let's get a deeper understanding of influencers. Influencers are people who have already established trustworthiness and believability. They have earned their audiences and followers' trust through making valuable content. They are the ones who can persuade others by virtue of their honesty and genuineness. They are often mixed or mistaken by the definition of a celebrity. We need to know the difference between an influencer and a celebrity. One of the biggest mistakes that media makes is a failure to distinguish the fine line between celebrities and online influencers. This is a mistake we must avoid. It is the biggest and most common mistake for most people. A celebrity earns their fame from music, modeling, TV shows, or movies. They consider themselves popular in the offline world. Celebrities have a wide range of demographics, but it doesn't mean that they have a strong influence or the power to control purchasing decisions. A social media influencer earns their stardom particularly from producing content relevant to their niche. Most of these social media influencers don't deem themselves popular in the offline world. They don't have a wide or extensive range of demographics, but they have a strong and powerful influence on people in their niche. Influencer marketing is a mixture of the old and the new way of marketing. It holds the objective of celebrity endorsement and arrange it to a modern content-driven marketing plan. Let's say you have already found your influencer and built a warm, long-term relationship with them. Here are some tips and guidelines to help you how to work with your influencer for your brand promotion. Give them the right to be creative. These influencers have their followers for a reason. They have their own creative way of getting their followers' attention and trust. Let that influencer be creative with the approach they'll use to promote your brand. Take note that if you try to impose rules and regulations, the relationship to work for might go down. Don't generalize your approach in finding and making use of different influencers to promote your brand. Tailor your approach to the specific influencer. You should be able to adapt your approach with different influencers you'll be talking to. Here are some example brands that use influencers to promote their brand. This clothing brand has influencers laser targeted with their own niche of people who are into fitness and bodybuilding. This actor and bodybuilder is one of their influencers and has more than 80,000 followers. As you can see from his tweets, he promotes and endorses the brand. We can also see that this brand posts a picture of their product being worn by this influencer. Promoting your business on Twitter will be easier if you have already grown your Twitter followers. Your tweets are liked by many people, and most of your followers retweet the content that you post. If you're starting to grow your Twitter account and haven't reached the peak goal for your target number of followers for the month or year, then you can count on influencers to promote your business for you. These influencers have already built a huge number of followers for several years since they have started creating their account on Twitter. Your goal is to generate more people to follow your business on Twitter and influence them to choose your business for your products or services. These influencers can help you achieve your goal for your business. Choosing the influencers who are right for your brand will create a huge impact on your business. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about share links to useful content. Let's get started. Sharing content on Twitter is a great way to attract more people to increase your brand awareness. People use Twitter to browse content that they can learn from. Most contents viewed on Twitter are from news networks, influencers, artists, and professional brands. When you share relevant content on Twitter, it will make it easier for people to check the content you shared. They will just click on the link and they will eventually see the content using the link. This is because people prefer to do things the faster way. If you share a link, and people must highlight the entire URL address and copy them, then people will be bothered by the effort they have to make just to view the content. If that is how they view articles, blogs, or videos to useful content, then lesser people will make an effort to view it. Using clickable links helps make it easier for people to view that content. Find out what your followers or potential audience like. Look at their tweets. You may find ideas of what they are interested in by checking out what they post. From this info, you can determine what topics you can share that these people would like. Therefore, these people are more likely to click on the links that you will share. Don't forget to add relevant hashtags. Your followers will find your shared link to useful content beneficial for them. They will appreciate this as they will be updated and learn something from it. People who are not yet your followers won't be able to find this shared content unless they spend more time searching for keywords and it matched your content. Include hashtags when you share links to useful content. So those people who use the same hashtag related to your industry or something they are interested in can discover your tweet and follow you. Once they see that you post your own content, retweet relevant posts, share links to useful content, then they will trust your brand more. That opens up a new set of audiences outside your followers. The cycle continues until your tweets get retweeted often. More and more people will discover your profile and be aware of your brand, expanding your reach. Don't just share the link. Craft a compelling headline that creates curiosity among your audience. People will not click on any links they see on their feed unless they know what it is that they will expect to see. Also, add an image to support what the useful content you are sharing is all about. This way, people will stop browsing their feed and check out the link you shared since your image caught their attention. Even if you're sharing the content of other people, you still have to make sure that you share links to your content. Twitter users follow people on Twitter who are making their unique content. They follow people because they find their tweets useful, interesting, entertaining, and not all self-promoting. Share content that your audience would like to see. If you know what your audience's interests are, then you won't find it hard to look for useful content that you can share in your tweets. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about promoting Twitter using other accounts. Let's get started. Promoting your products or services on Twitter can generate leads for your business. In addition, you can also leverage your LinkedIn or Instagram accounts to promote your Twitter profile. These platforms can also be used to get a different audience reach aside from Twitter. You can widen your audience reach if you used your brand's other social media accounts. Let me show you how you can use LinkedIn to promote your Twitter account's tweets. Log in to your LinkedIn account. From the top menus, click the Me icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. You'll see this page where you can view the settings of your account. Choose the Account tab. Scroll down until you see the Twitter settings. Another way to access it is to click Partners and Services from these left menus. Here's the Twitter setting that we need to access. Click on Twitter Settings. Using this setting, you'll be able to manage your Twitter info and activity using your LinkedIn account. If you have added a Twitter account here before, you may see it here. Now, let's assume that it's the first time for us to add a Twitter account on this LinkedIn account. Click Add a Twitter Account link. You will see a pop-up window to input your LinkedIn password. Input your password, then click Done. You'll see this page where the Twitter account that is logged in this web browser will be linked to this LinkedIn account. If this is not a Twitter account that you want to link in this LinkedIn profile, then log out from this account and use the Twitter account that you want to link to this LinkedIn profile. If you link a Twitter account here, you'll be able to see tweets see Twitter accounts you follow, and post or delete tweets. Click on the Authorize App button. We have successfully added our Twitter profile to our LinkedIn account. From this setting, you may display on your profile that you have a Twitter account linked to your LinkedIn profile. You can select this checkbox to allow it or uncheck it so it won't appear on your LinkedIn profile. Since we have 2 Twitter profiles added to our LinkedIn account, let's try to make this account the primary account. Click Make Primary. Let's see where we can find this on our LinkedIn profile. Go to your LinkedIn profile, click Contact Info. In this pop-up window, you can see the Twitter accounts in this section. When people check out your LinkedIn profile, they can see that you have a Twitter account here. They can easily go to your Twitter account as they click on this link, check out your tweets, and follow you. Let's try to post a link. From your LinkedIn feed, click Start a Post. Type a headline for the link, then paste the link here. You can also add hashtags. Now, click this to change who can see your post. We want this content to appear on our Twitter account aside from LinkedIn, so choose anyone plus Twitter. This is the Twitter profile, where this post will also be posted. Click Save. Now post it. As you can see, this is our posted content on LinkedIn. Let's check our Twitter feed. This is the content that we posted using our LinkedIn account. The post was also shared in our Twitter account, connected to our LinkedIn account. As people check out your profile, they will see this tweet that you've posted. Next, let's try to promote your Twitter account using Instagram. For this to work, you need to access your Instagram app on your mobile device. Go to your profile and tap on these 3 lines. Then tap Settings from the bottom section of the menu. Tap on Account. Then choose Linked Accounts. You will see Twitter here. Tap on Twitter. To authorize our Instagram account access to our Twitter account, we need to input the login details here. When you're done, click on the Authorize App button. We have successfully connected our Twitter account to our Instagram account. You can also place your Twitter handle on your Instagram profile. Click on Edit Profile. Then under Bio, add your Twitter handle. Click this icon, and now you have added your Twitter handle to your Instagram bio. When your Instagram followers check out your Instagram profile, they will see that you have included your Twitter handle here. They can take note of that Twitter handle and search you on Twitter. They just need to input the Twitter handle in the search box. And now here's your Twitter account. Now let's post content on Instagram. Click this plus icon. Choose an image for a post. Click Next. Write a caption, then paste the link after the caption. In this section, we need to choose to also post to Twitter. You can see here that the Twitter handle that we've linked to this Instagram account is shown here. Tap on this button to activate the option to post this content on Twitter. Click Share. Now you can see our posted content on Instagram. Let's check it on Twitter. Here's the content we posted using Instagram, and now it's also seen in our Twitter account.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.